Hi and welcome to Hardie Street, North Bondi. Our clients came to us with the brief of creating a modern, high-end luxury duplex. We've created this amazing box modern style duplex, which is sure to make a statement in this beachside suburb. To get this box modern look, we're using the James Hardie Axon cladding. Axon is available in 3 profiles. You can have the 133mm smooth, the 133mm grains, or the 400mm smooth. We've chosen the Axon 133mm smooth on this project. Our clients really wanted to create a simple, visually striking duplex, and the clean vertical lines of the Axon work perfectly to achieve this. Axon cladding comes in 4 different sheet sizes, so you can choose exactly what size is right for your frames. It's also quick and easy to install because of the shiplap joint on the long edges. You can also gun nail the Axon cladding to the timber frames to speed up the install process even more. With the Axon cladding, you can achieve the drama of painted vertical joint timber without any of the associated durability issues that comes with timber. This is set to be one of the most high-end duplexes we've ever done, so stay tuned to see how it turns out.